All right, let's see. So tell me, how are we feeling? Are we dry? Hungry? Do we need some nutrients?
Vital silent. Patient unresponsive.
Looks like we're gonna have to consult our turf maintenance plan. You can't diagnose turf by guesswork. Like the wrong prescription can make you feel all out of whack. The wrong treatment can harm your customer's turf. LESCO Turf Maintenance Plans are built on regional climate and historical data, so you know exactly which prescriptions your turf needs and when. You can even get ideas for treatments you didn't know you could offer, keeping turf healthy while drumming up some additional business for yourself. Ask your local branch for a copy, or go to SiteOne.com/seasons to download your local turf maintenance plan. Because using the wrong treatment at the wrong time, that's turf malpractice.